In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to show before and after photos in WordPress. A before and after photo can be useful to display side-by-side comparisons of two identical images with minor differences. I'm going to show you how to add them in WordPress with a slide effect. First, you need to install and activate the 2020 Image Before After plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, navigate to the post you want to add this photo in. I'll edit this post. And here you can see these two options that appear because of the plugin. Now, go to the part where you want to add this photo. Now click on Add 2020, select the before and after image, enter the before and after text here, and the rest you can just leave for now. Then click on Insert Code, and the shortcode was added here. Now click on Update, and let's view the post now. I'll scroll down to the pic, and as you can see, the before and after photo is displayed here, and the user can slide the image like this. As the users slide the handle towards each image, the other image will become visible. Users can take the slider all the way to the right or to the left to see the full before and after images. This is how you can show before and after photos in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.